Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to tonight's Market Wrap-Up Show. I'm Joe Keenahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with thinkorswim, and here is tonight's Market Wrap-Up. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up $12.78, a sizzling day on Wall Street, as we see 16 advanters, 14 decliners on the day. One major decliner, AIG, American Insurance Group, at a 52-week low. There's a stock to keep an eye on. AIG, for years, such a fine-run company, has certainly fallen into hard times over the last few months. One you might want to watch in the news over the next few weeks. The stocks that lead us to the upside today, all the oil-related stocks, the Exxon Mobils of the world, as oil is up on the day, and finally, these stocks are a beneficiary of that. All right, S&P 500 future up like $1.25 on the day. Nothing exciting. Just above that 1275 level for the SPOOs. Again, we've talked about we have room to the downside, room to the upside, and as we've talked about, those of you who have watched this over the last couple of days, we've talked about this could be just kind of a back and forth few days. Not completely surprising. People are gearing up a little bit for the holiday. We talked how volatility might come off this week. We see it today. VIX down 60 cents, and it was low earlier in the day. So it's down below 20 again. As I mentioned last few days, I am a believer that next week we could see volatility pop a little bit late in the week. I've seen that pattern many times in my trading career, and I am a little bit of a believer we may see it again. So those of you who like volatility, these calendar spreads are probably lining up fairly decently right now. All right, stock of the day we want to watch, RMBS, RMBS, Robert, Michael, Bill, Samuel. And the options you want to watch there, the October 17 calls. Open interest on the day coming in 153 and 11,000 they trade 11,000 contracts on 17 trades today. Very interesting. Why do they trade this much? This is a stock that's, there's always patent infringements, takeover rumors, whatever it may be. RMBS is a stock that usually has some news associated with it. We're starting to hear a little bit of this buyout chatter once again. So there's just something for those of you who are interested to maybe take a look at and play over the next few days. All right, I'm Joe Keenahan. Thanks for joining us. As always, good health, good trading. We will see you tomorrow. Have a happy Friday, everyone. Thank you very much. Good night.